Today is December 30, 2020, 8th day of our trip. Last night we drove from Pushkar to Jodhpur and stayed here. This is Sardar Market, one of the busiest market in Jodhpur, filled with a lot of clothes, jewelry and footwear. You will find an antique clock tower here. You have an option to go on top of this, but due to pandemic it's not allowed now. Most of the ladies are in typical Rajasthani traditional wear. It's so colorful. We had amazing pani puri and lunch in this restaurant. Post lunch, we moved from Jodhpur. We didn't visit any tourist spot here since we have a big plan. Our next destination is Jaisalmer. That's our ultimate destination as well. Jaisalmer is the golden city of India, located 575 km from Jaipur, the district which share international border with Pakistan. This is one of the coolest drive in this trip. Empty roads, plain landscape and beautiful sunset. we have to cross Pokhran to reach Jaisalmer. Pokhran is India's nuclear test site. India did 2 successful nuclear tests here. Pokhran 1. It's also known as Smiling Buddha. It was India's first successful nuclear bomb test on 18th May 1974 during Prime Minister Indira Gandhi's tenure. Pokhran 2 on 11th and 13th May 1998 during A.B. Vajpayee's tenure. Test site is 45 km away from town. Civilians are not allowed to visit due to nuclear radiation. Our plan is to celebrate New Year at the Great Indian Desert, which is Thar. And we reached desert camp. Stay tuned for next video. Please do subscribe the channel.